Hello all, my name is Pallavi Wankhede and my topic is Information System Impact on Organizations. So here I am going to talk about the four various impacts of information system on various organizations. The first impact is economic impacts, then the second impact is the internet and organizations, third one is organizational and behavioral impacts, and the last impact is implications for the design and understanding of information system. So firstly, let's talk about the economic impacts. So information system changes both the relative cost of capital and the costs of information. Information system technology can be viewed as a factor of production that can be substituted for traditional capital and labor. So as the cost of information system decreases, it is substituted for labor, which historically has been a rising cost. Hence, information system should result in a decline in the number of middle managers and clerical workers as information system substitutes for their labor. Then, as the cost of information system decreases, it also substitutes for other forms of capital such as buildings and machinery, which remain relatively expensive. Hence, over time, we should expect managers to increase their investments in IT because of its declining cost relative to other capital investments. Information system also can reduce internal management costs due to information system by reducing the cost of acquiring and analyzing information permits organizations to reduce agency costs because it becomes easier for managers to oversee a greater number of employees. By reducing overall management costs, information system enables firms to increase revenues while shrinking the number of middle managers and clerical workers. Lastly, information system helps firm contract in size because it can reduce transaction costs, the cost incurred when a firm buys on the marketplace what it cannot make itself. So we have seen that there are various economic impacts and it positively impacts on the economy due to information systems on the organizations. Now let's talk about the second impact, that is the internet and organizations. So the internet, especially the World Wide Web, has an important impact on the relationship between many firms and external entities and even on the organization of business processes inside a firm. The internet increases the accessibility, storage, and distribution of information and knowledge for organizations, and businesses are rapidly rebuilding some of their key business processes based on internet systems and making this technology a key component of their IT infrastructures in the past. So, as we all know, there are various impacts of internet on organizations and various fields. Due to internet, we have got various benefits on the organizations due to information system. Now let's talk about the third impact, that is organizational and behavioral impacts. Here we have three most important impacts. First one is IT flattens organization, second is post industrial organizations, and third one is understanding organizational resistance to change. Let's talk about the first impact, that is IT flattens organizations. So information system facilitates flattening of hierarchies by broadening the distribution of information to empower lower level employees and increase management efficiency. Then IT pushes decision making rights lower in the organization because lower level employees receive the information they need to make decisions without supervision. Management costs decline as a percentage of revenues and the hierarchy becomes much more efficient. Now the second one is post-industrial organizations. So information system encourage task force network organizations in which groups of professionals come together face to face or electronically for a short period of time to accomplish a specific task, example designing a new automobile. Once the task is accomplished, the individuals join other task forces. The global consulting service Accenture is a very big example of the impact of information system in the IT industry. And the third impact is understanding organizational resistance to change. So, information systems inevitably become bound up in organizational politics because they influence access to a key resource, namely information. Information systems can affect who does what to whom, when, where, and how in an organization. Research on organizational resistance to innovation suggests that four factors are paramount: the nature of the IT innovation, the organizational structure, the culture of people in the organization, and finally the task affected by the innovation. Now, let's talk about the final impact, that is implications for the design and understanding of information system. So, information systems must be built with a clear understanding of the organization in which they will be used. The central organizational factors to consider when planning a new system are as follows. So, the first thing is the environment in which the organization must function. Then, second one is the structure of the organization, that is the hierarchy, specialization, routines, and business processes. Then, we need to focus on the organization's culture and politics, the type of organization and its style of leadership, the principal interest groups affected by the system, and the attitude of worker who will be using the system. And finally, we need to focus on the kind of task, decisions, and business processes that the information system is designed to assist. So, according to me, I think the information system has positively impacted on various organizations. Thank you.